In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to elegantly guide text along a path in Photoshop. This is a great technique for creating eye-catching designs, whether you're crafting a logo, a creative poster, or any graphic that requires text to follow a specific curve or shape. Let's dive into it and unravel these steps together. First up, you need to have your document ready in Photoshop. If you haven't already done so, open up your existing file or create a new document to work on. Once your workspace is set, it's time to draw a path, which could be either open or closed, for your text to follow. This is a fundamental step as it dictates how the text will flow within your design. Now, select the Pen tool from the toolbar, easily done by pressing the letter P on your keyboard. If precision and specific shapes like circles are what you're after, the shape tools, like the ellipse tool, will come in handy. Don't forget to set the mode to Path in the options bar. This setting ensures that we're working with a path rather than a filled shape or a stroke. With the pen or shape tool active, draw the curve or complete circle that you envision for your path. Here's a tip. If you're using the ellipse tool and want a perfect circle, just hold down the Shift key as you draw. Once your path is drawn, you'll notice it appear either in the Paths panel or right there as a visible vector outline in your workspace. Next, we need to involve some text magic. The way to do this is by selecting the Type tool. Choose between the horizontal Type tool by pressing T or the vertical Type tool if that suits your design better. As you move your cursor over the path you've drawn, you'll notice a change in the text cursor. Look for a squiggly line or path icon, a clear indicator that Photoshop is now primed to place text along your path. To set your text in motion, simply click on the path to establish a starting point and begin typing. But what if the placement isn't quite right? Don't worry. You can adjust the position of your text. By choosing either the Path Selection tool or Direct Selection tool, represented by black and white arrow icons respectively, you can grab and shift the small handles that appear to reposition where the text starts and ends along the path. If you want to get creative and flip the text to the other side, use the Path Selection tool to drag your text across the path line. Should the need to reshape the curve arise, the Direct Selection tool allows you to adjust anchor points or handles, dynamically updating your text's flow. With your text perfectly aligned, it's time to fine-tune its appearance. Format your text's font size, style, and color as you normally would using the character and paragraph panels. And for those perfect finishing touches, adjust the baseline shift in the character panel to determine how far above or below the path your text sits. Almost there. If the path becomes a distraction during this editing stage, it's easy to hide it. Simply select No Tool or deselect the path in the Paths panel to remove it from view. Finally, save your work. Keeping your text in the text layer allows it to remain editable later. And there you have it. Your text is now beautifully flowing along the path, enhancing your design with style and flair.